The Constitution. Let's get this party started right. The founders realized a country forged in war would need a powerful legal blueprint to preserve its hard-won peace. The Articles of Confederation, drafted between 1776 and 7 and ratified in 1781, was not that document. A series of confusing provisions, such as Article 4, see Article 12. Article 18, this is not an article, and Article 12, see Article 4. The Articles vested the majority of power in the state's hands, a poor idea given South Carolina's immaturity and how angry New Hampshire got when it was drunk. Why did the Articles fail so completely? Most historians believe the Founding Fathers spent a great deal of their first constitutional convention drafting the Declaration of Independence and only realized on July 3rd that the Articles were also due. By 1787, the inadequacy of this poorly conceived document was apparent to even the dimmest of framers. That summer, 55 of the country's greatest minds, led by Alexander Hamilton and James Madison, once again convened in Philadelphia. This time, their mission would not be dissolving bonds, but forging them, and in so doing, giving birth to a new, permanent, glorious law, forever linking the diverse components of a young nation destined to spread across the continent. They would name it the Constitution, after Hamilton's mother. If the Declaration was our nation's sales pitch, the Constitution would be its owner's manual, and as the Founding Fathers knew all too well, no one ever reads the owner's manual. The Constitution would have to effectively vest power in the hands of the people, republicanism, without undermining the importance of central authority, federalism. It would be an all-encompassing document. The first few drafts even included recipes. To achieve that balance, the founders ultimately conceived the three branches of government, a notion ensuring the separation of powers through a series of checks and balances. It was a system reflecting the founders' belief that children should memorize not just dates, but also phrases. But on what basis should the three branches be divided? It came down to two dueling ideas: Madison's proposal of an executive, judicial, and legislative branch versus George's Joseph Morton's proposal to dole out power according to
the presence, forbearance, rectitude, and largiosity of one's plums and carrot.
After much deliberation, it was decided Madison's proposal would be accepted, Morton relenting only after the Constitutional Convention agreed to proclaim him, quote, impressive. The three branches would in essence police each other with an elaborate system of safeguards and precautions that would prevent power from being concentrated in too few hands. Quipped a jubilant Hamilton,
The only way it could fail is if one party gains control of not just the executive, but also the Senate and House chambers, and upon doing so, proceeds to bring in like-minded judges.
And then the framers all laughed and laughed and laughed. Ultimately, the Constitution provided our fledgling democracy, America, with a bulwark against tyranny, a foundation based upon the rule of law, equality, and a respect for the individual and property the world had not yet seen. They even graciously included a manner to amend the document as circumstances dictated for future generations. The founders prayed only that this Constitution be ratified, respected, and upheld, and that nobody would tell the black people about it.